Hey guys, good to see you again. The first assignment I'm going to ask you to do is a virtual locker. This first slide is an example of mine, and it's just a bunch of things that I love. Some pictures of my family, my favorite food, some quotes that I really like, different sports that I'm into. I put a beach ball in there because I love going to the beach with my family. So what we're going to do is you're going to pick either slide 2, 3, or 4 to create your own. You can choose to do whatever you'd like to put in there, but I want to show you a quick tip on how to get pictures and how to make them transparent. So you're going to go to Insert on your Google slide and Image. You can choose to upload a picture straight from your computer, or you can search the web. If you search the web, what's important is that you put the word transparent in front of your image. So Mexican food is my favorite food, so I put a taco in my locker. But if I just look up taco, I have a bunch of pictures that would make a giant square. But if I put the word transparent in front of it, and I look at transparent tacos, when I insert that picture, so I would click on it and then click insert, I just have a taco that I can make fit right inside my locker. So you're going to just resize it. You can even have it leaning in there. But if you don't put the word transparent in, then it makes it look like a picture. So see what you can find, and I can't wait to see yours. Thanks, guys.